Feeling a knot of anxiety in your stomach because you can't find your relay card? Or maybe you're staring at an unfamiliar charge and your mind immediately jumps to fraud. Perhaps your business needs have shifted, and that particular relay card just isn't serving its purpose anymore. If any of these scenarios resonate with you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial aspect of managing your business finances with Relay: how to freeze or cancel a relay card. It's a common misconception that once a card is issued, it's a permanent fixture. But the reality is, in the dynamic world of business, flexibility is key. Your team changes, your project scopes evolve, and sometimes, cards get misplaced. Knowing how to quickly and efficiently manage the status of your relay cards isn't just a convenience, it's a vital security measure and a smart financial practice. Think about it. A lost card could become a gateway for unauthorized spending, and an unused card represents an unnecessary liability. This isn't just about preventing worst-case scenarios, it's about maintaining tight control over your financial resources, optimizing your spending, and ensuring that every dollar spent aligns with your business objectives. Before we jump into the step-by-step process, let's understand the difference between freezing and canceling a card, as these two actions serve distinct purposes. Freezing a card is like hitting the pause button. It temporarily deactivates the card, preventing any new transactions from going through. However, the card itself remains active within your Relay account. This is your go-to option when a card is temporarily misplaced, you suspect a fraudulent transaction but need time to investigate, or you want to temporarily restrict spending on a specific card without permanently removing it. Think of it as a safety net. You can unfreeze the card at any time, restoring its full functionality. It's an excellent tool for managing cards that are used intermittently or for situations where you need a quick, reversible solution. Canceling a card, on the other hand, is a permanent action. When you cancel a relay card, it's removed from your account entirely and can no longer be used for any transactions. This is the appropriate action when a card is permanently lost or stolen, an employee has left the company, a project has concluded and the associated card is no longer needed, or you've identified definitive fraudulent activity and want to completely sever ties with that specific card number. Once canceled, a card cannot be reactivated. If you need a new card for the same purpose, you'll have to issue a brand new one. Understanding this distinction is paramount because choosing the wrong option could either leave your business vulnerable or create unnecessary administrative hurdles. Now that we've laid the groundwork, let's walk through the process of freezing a relay card. The good news is, Relay has designed its platform to be incredibly user-friendly, making these actions straightforward and quick. To freeze a relay card, you'll start by logging into your Relay account. Once you're in your dashboard, navigate to the Cards section. This is typically found in the main navigation menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on Cards will display a list of all the physical and virtual cards associated with your Relay account. From this list, identify the specific card you wish to freeze. You'll likely see the card number, the cardholder's name, and potentially the card status. Once you've located the correct card, click on it to view its details. This will open a dedicated page for that particular card, providing more granular information and management options. On the card details page, you should see an option to freeze card or a similar button. This button is usually prominently displayed and easy to find. Clicking on this button will prompt a confirmation message, asking you to confirm your decision to freeze the card. This is a crucial step that prevents accidental freezes. Review the message carefully and, if you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the action. Once you confirm, the card status will immediately change to frozen. You'll typically see a visual indicator, like a frozen badge or a change in the card's color, signifying its deactivated state. At this point, any attempts to use the card for transactions will be declined. Remember, you can unfreeze the card at any time by following the same steps and looking for an unfreeze card option. This flexibility is what makes the freezing option so powerful for temporary situations. It's a quick, reversible solution that gives you immediate control without the permanence of cancellation. Next up, let's tackle how to cancel a relay card. As we discussed, this is a permanent action, so it's essential to be absolutely sure before proceeding. Similar to freezing, you'll begin by logging into your Relay account and navigating to the cards section. Again, you'll see a list of all your active and frozen cards. Identify the specific card you intend to cancel. Once you've found the correct card, click on it to access its details page. Just like with freezing, this page provides all the relevant information about that specific card. On the card details page, instead of freeze card, you'll be looking for an option to cancel card or deactivate card. This button might be located in a slightly different area than the freeze option, but it should still be clearly visible. It's often accompanied by a warning message, reiterating the permanence of the action. Clicking Cancel Card will trigger a more robust confirmation process compared to freezing. Given the irreversible nature of cancellation, Relay will likely present you with a series of prompts to ensure you understand the implications. You might be asked to confirm your identity, explain the reason for cancellation, or acknowledge that the action cannot be undone. Read through these prompts carefully and ensure you fully understand the consequences. Once you've completed all the necessary confirmation steps, the card will be permanently canceled. It will be removed from your list of active cards, and its status will reflect canceled. This card can no longer be used for any transactions, and its associated card number will be permanently deactivated. If you ever need a card for the same purpose, you will have to issue a brand new one through your Relay account. Now that we've covered the practical steps, let's talk about some best practices and important considerations when managing your Relay cards. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.